It's finally time for us to implement new features to our project, okay? So this is the GitHub repository that you're gonna see. As it stands, we have the advanced example code and we have our metaverse project. And now, instead of adding to this code, what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna separate it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have another folder with our advanced metaverse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this and we're gonna create a copy right here, fine? And now we're gonna rename it. We're gonna change the name to Advanced Metaverse, okay? Now, we're gonna need to do some imports. So to actually make it easier, let me just change this to columns and let me show you exactly how I'm gonna do this. As it stands, we have the advanced metaverse and metaverse folders. So if we look at this row, we look at the advanced project and we'll find that inside we have the following folders. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the control folder renderer and we're gonna take the 3.module.js file. We're gonna copy it and we're gonna paste it into advanced metaverse. So we added those two folders and the 3.module.js to this project, advanced metaverse. Okay, so now let's pop open the Visual Studio. We're gonna pop open Visual Studio and here we are here. Now, this is the old project. This is the advanced project. And instead, let's open up the advanced metaverse here. And what you will see is that now we have the advanced metaverse open inside Visual Studio. And we've got the index.html, but in addition, you'll see that we have added the new info we added, which is the controls, renders folders, plus the 3.module.js. All of this is included inside the advanced metaverse. So let's start from this, what we have right here, and we need to add some imports into this code, okay? In this case, what we need to use is we've got this 3.js, right? To do the import of modules. But let me comment that out and let me show you how we're going to work this instead. Because we have an advantage. By this point, we've been working with the advanced project and there's code in the advanced project that we can use to our advantage. So what we're going to do to get the 3.module.js modules we need, we can get it from the advanced project. So if we go to the advanced project, we go to the folder and we pop open the index.html. Inside that file, you will find the following code, which is going to be very valuable. When we scroll down, you find right here, we take this script from here, and it does all the imports for the 3.module.js. So we're going to copy it, and we're going to add it to our source code. So right now, it's in our advanced metaverse index.html. At this point, we're going to need to use these modules right here at... Hold on, src right here, index.js. How do we import them? Actually, quite easily. All we do is we import all as 3 from, and now we specify the name 3, which is what we named the module. Let's take a look at it right here. Here it is. The module is 3. Okay, so we go back to the code and we've got the import set up right now. This is the basic import we need to be able to develop all the code that we need. Okay, so let me comment in what we're going to be working on right now. And what we're going to be doing is orbit controls, which is going to take us back to where we were here in the documentation. You see the orbit controls from Three.js, and we're going to need to import these. These orbit controls is a code that's already going to let us import in here. So if you look at the controls, it's right here, orbitcontrols.js. So all we're going to do right now is we're going to do the import, and now we specify from that folder, and let's look exactly what we're going to get at the bottom of it all. It says it gets us back the orbit controls and map controls. Okay, perfect. So we copy those, we paste those in, and we say from, and we specify the path. The path is controls/orbitcontrols.js. Perfect. So that way, we're going to be able to import all the functionality that we need in order to look around the metaverse using the mouse. By this point, we have done all the basic imports that we need. And now, in the following lesson, we'll start coding and developing all the functionality that we need.